Hi everyone. Dreaming of building your own mobile apps but getting bogged down by slow, broken developer tools? Today, we are deploying a fully optimized Android Studio environment to give you elite mobile engineering power and emulator testing for zero cost. Let's prep your workbench. Head straight down to the description notes and pull the core IDE distribution package directly from our website. Launch this primary installer to let the system configure your destination directories and extract the baseline visual layout tools. The moment the baseline installation clears, a secondary deployment wizard will automatically show up on your display. Simply let this native sub-installer map out the critical SDK packages and link the mobile platform modules. Now, activate the new software shortcut to see the mobile design dashboard take shape on your screen. Allow the startup workspace to initialize completely to ensure all visual layout editors and project trees load with zero lag. Your advanced mobile engineering station is fully operational, verified, and ready to compile high-end applications. Rush over to our website right now to claim your installation files and start coding like a boss.